Here we have two numbers in scientific notation being multiplied. When we are multiplying in scientific notation, first we multiply our coefficients. So in this case, those two numbers are 4 and 3. The second piece here is that we multiply our powers of 10. It's important to remember that when we're multiplying the same base, we add our exponents. So 4 times 3 is 12 times 10 to the 5th times 10 to the 7th. Again, base is the same, so we add those exponents. So this will be 10 to the 12th power. This is not in proper scientific notation, however, so we are not done yet. Our decimal is currently here. In order to make it in proper scientific notation, we take that decimal and we move it to the left one time. So there's now only one digit to the left of the decimal. This is now 1.2 times 10 to the, I went left 1, so this got smaller by 1. So my exponent got greater by 1, so it's 10 to the 13th power.